Hello, friends. Good morning and good evening, everyone. You are ALP here. So this is a continuation to last event we conducted on July 11th, 4 p.m. live event. Due to some network issue, we are not able to make that video on the day. So today we are going to discuss these things. So just for all the information at one place, I'm going to go through these 4-5 slides again, so that I will get some better understanding. Yeah. So here the intention is there are many job profiles available in electrical industry. Many people asked me, for example, freshers, they don't know what job profiles are available. So what they are doing, they are somehow joining with some companies like contractors or some building constructions or some electrical MEP. So somewhere they are getting struck and they don't know that many job profiles are available in private industry in motors, transformers, generators, and circuit breakers, transmission lines. So there are many good job profiles available, but they don't know. So here I am making a small effort to let you know all what are the different job profiles available, so that you can get some broad understanding, so that you can think of those jobs, and if you are interested on any job profile, then you can start applying for those companies and those jobs. So and your preparation level also can be suitable to those job profiles. So that is the intention. So so I'm going to cover many other other electrical areas also, like motors or other areas also. So this is the start for us. So A to Z job profiles and job opportunities in transformer industry. So this is the job title for us. So let's proceed, dears. So what are different job profiles available for electrical as well as mechanical in a transformer industry? What are the probable companies offering these jobs? How to get or enter into these jobs? Finally, summary or general discussion, and doubts clearing or conclusion at the end we are going to discuss. So this is about these guys. So we go to the next slide. So these things we already discussed, like a list of job generally available job roles in transformers. So freshers, mostly whoever freshers are there after college or immediately in fourth year of college, they will be given appointments as a trainee, graduate engineer trainee, we will say GET. So this is the trend for the freshers. And for experienced engineers, say for example, after 1 year, that depends on company to company. Say after 1 year, you may be given with engineer, and then after 3-4 years, based on your performance and all, you can be awarded with a senior engineer. After that 3 to 4 years, you can be given with assistant manager and then deputy manager, and then DCM, GM, VP, and finally MD of the company if you are staying a long time, or if you are capable enough or experienced enough to handle that role. So these are the different job profiles, guys. So if you are a fresher, your role starts at a GET, graduate engineer trainee. So whenever you are searching for jobs, being a fresher, you can try like a graduate engineer trainee role in the internet also, so that you will get some better job opportunities directly to your email ID. Yeah. So here let's discuss some more things. So what are the different departments available in the transformer industry? So mainly transformer means that needs to be designed, right? So engineering, design or development job will be there, and marketing jobs. So we have to sell it, right? Marketing jobs, and planning and control, costing, production, dispatch, and fabrications, materials, logistics, finance, HR activities, administrative activities, quality, testing, and industrial engineer, servicing projects or EPC projects. So these many different job profiles are available in the transformer industry. So you need only one job, right? So at any one of the systems, you can play, you can be there. The one more thing is, if you are into these any one of the department, the chances are there for switching over to the other department. So that facility, I mean, that those things also available, that can be easily done. So the you can also think of that. So these are the different departments, guys. So you can let's go to the next profile. So now from now on we are going to discuss different departments and their functions. So engineering, so people will say engineering, design or development. So these are the people who are going to design the component, design the transformer, design the motors. I mean, starting to ending. So whenever customer gives any requirement, I need this transformer of so and so kVA rating, so and so voltage, so and so impedance. So this should be the my size of the transformer. Like that, whenever they are giving any requirements, we have to completely go through those requirements. And sometimes many requirements may not be mentioned in the document. We should ask them back, customer, whatever you need. And then finally, you are going to prepare designs. So earlier days, we used it to prepare our papers using calculators and all manual things mostly. Nowadays, the many computer programs and Microsoft tools are available for us. So we can work on that. And finally, with a better optimized design, I mean, with a lower cost, by meeting customer specifications and by using less footprint, maybe it can be the space, the floor space, whatever the my equipment is occupying, the space and everything, we can try to minimize it. And mainly the safety things, the safety protection. So there should not be any failure, right? Finally, at the end of the day. And if ever any alarming situations are there, then it should give alarm to us. So like that, by incorporating all these safety things and ease of plug and play type. So for example, if you purchased any, say for example, mobile phone, you can simply, you are going to plug the charger into the socket, right? So like that, the plug and play type, there should not be many things at the site. So this should be like almost similar. I mean, there should not be any work to the customer. Like that, so many things we can think of, and we can design the transformer. So these people are going to do these things, guys. So engineering plays a major role, and these people are going to prepare all the things like a component list and a material list, price, bill of material. And if any issue is there in the shop floor, for example, some losses, I mean, the impedance is not coming, I mean, the transformer is failed, for example, in some voltage test. So only engineering people, I mean, engineering people can go there and they think that they can think what might be the reason, and they can give some remedy solutions for rectifying that job, like that. So these people are involved everywhere. For example, at customer side, some issue is there for the transformer. So these people can go to those customer sites, and they can observe, and they can give any solutions if any required. Yeah. So this is about engineering guys. So this is wonderful job opportunity for a refresher to start his career with. So, and there are some people who will switch from one profile to another profile, like testing to engineering, production to engineering, like that. That is also possible. I will discuss those things later sessions. So here you can see, guys, so engineering, so design or development. So but generally both electrical and mechanical will be there in this department. And so mostly I am discussing here the technical things, like tendering will be there, ordering will be there, R&D is there, documentation specialist, automation development, some coders, bill of material specials or raw material specialist, SAP or any other similar tools, costing estimation, simulations, prototype specialist, specification engineer. So here I mentioned some 12 different job profiles. So in very big companies, MNCs, so MNCs, it is difficult for a single person to handle everything. So they will have different split up of jobs internally, the job roles internally. For example, some people will take care only tendering. So they will do only tendering related. So once we got the order, some people will take care completely about ordering. I mean, they will do everything related to order. Some people are involved only in R&D, research and development. This is also good job role. And some people will take care of documentation specialist. I mean, documentations, whatever the documentation required for the customer or within the company or some outside the company. So they will mainly focus on documentation. But of course, yes, they also know most of the transformer technicals. Automation development, as I already told, it's very difficult, right? For work on manually with calculators. So a lot of iterations required, a lot of trial and error combinations required to be tried for the transformer design. So for meeting the customer specifications, so automation development, so some tools or programs required for making our task very easy. So there are these people are required, mainly electrical people will be taken care, and mechanical also it's required. So some coders are there. So whatever the design we made, finally we have to purchase that material right from the outside. So there will be some people like bill of materials or specials. So they will go through the design. They will prepare all the list. CRGO, core, copper winding, bus bars, copper bar, aluminum bar, and MS, transformer oil, radiators, like that. They will go through the each and every the item of the transformer. For example, they will refer outline, and they will refer the design parameters, and they will consider these bill of materials. And SAP, some companies will have tools like SAP, so everything will be entered into the SAP. Most of the things will be automatic, and 50% work may be there. So this is also one of the job profiles, guys. And finally, costing estimation. For example, we got one order, we executed it, so how much cost we spent on that particular job. So there is some dedicated people will be there for estimating entire costing and all. And sometimes whenever you are going for research and development, I mean new products, anything, so simulations are required. So otherwise we don't know what result we can expect for those new products. So so we need some simulation for performing some simulations also, like FEM, finite element analysis, and some other MATLAB tools. We can use some tools for estimating the product performance of the product. And sometimes some people will be there for doing only prototypes. We will say prototype specialist. So those people will do only prototypes. I mean, so whatever new jobs are there, generally they will make one number of transformer, and they will do the job ready for use by making all the changes whatever it is required on this job. And finally, like that same prototype, number of units were made after that. And specification engineer, there will be some people who will take care of only specifications. So they will read the customer specification, and they will give back clarifications, preparing customers or assisting customers. So these are like a front end engineers. So customer engineer, customer specific engineers, like that. So in the small companies, in the startups, all the things may be doing by only single person. But in very big companies, MNCs, where multiple tasks are there, so this many number of job profiles will be there in the engineering or design development. So what else will be there in the big companies? So you can see here, internally again, regional wise, customer wise designers will be there. So you can be again you can fall again into the any one of the design. So regional wise, customer wise designers are there, product wise designers are there, and single phase, three phase, small kVA, big higher kVA. So like that, again it depends. You may be in single phase transformers, you may be in three phase transformers, you may be in a higher kVA transformers, and extra high voltage or high kVA jobs. For example, 5 kVA is different, 50 MVA is different, 500 MVA is different. So you can be in any one of the job profiles, and in a dry type oil field. So you can be in any one of the particular transformer device, oil field, or dry. But of course, you can do anything. But doing the same thing repeated times gives more flexibility, more innovative things, and it gives a better clear-cut understanding. So most of MNCs will do like that. So application-wise, for example, solar, wind, conventional or any some projects. So based on each requirement, so for each application, some requirements are completely different. So the dedicated engineer can be kept for each thing. So these are all job profiles, guys. Solar design engineer, wind design engineer, conventional transformer design, like that. So boards wise, for example, API, SPDCL, Transco, like that. For each customer, some dedicated designers may be there. Sometimes that depends. Some private projects are there, and some PSUs like NTPC, PGCL, some government organizations are there. So for them, dedicated engineer can be there. And some people may be taking care domestic, some may be taking care exports and transportation. So some people may be taking care of only transportation. So they will prepare the layouts, plans, and everything for transporting. How many vehicles required, and what size of the truck, trailer, Taurus, or many things are there. They will take care of this transportation. Some people will take care only active part, I mean core and coil assembly. Some people will take care of externals like tanks and all. So some people will take care only insulation specialist, whatever the insulation required for the entire transformer. So they will take care of this. Why all these things I mentioned separately means in some MNCs or big whenever we are making big transformers, it may take sometimes 30 days also for preparing everything. So 30 days preparing everything means it's a huge task, right? So this many engineers will be there for ensuring this performance. And software tool developers, tank design, some people will design only tank, cooling design, some people only the cooling design, active pod design, verification engineer, some people will verify all the profiles. That's it, they don't do anything else. All the documents they verify whether it's okay or not. Some people will take care of administrative activities, even though in engineering department administrative activities are there for ensuring it. We may need administrative activities. So these are the 21 different areas, guys, in an engineering department you can think of. So now we just completed engineering, and now we are with sales and marketing jobs. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then to subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I'm uploading videos, you will get notifications. You can simply click and watch it. Yeah. So let's proceed further, guys. Sales or marketing jobs. So what are the different things available in sales and marketing? So mostly these things are for electrical people. So this is also same. Many people will join like a graduate engineer trainee, and they will move on from one level to another level, like a engineer and a senior engineer, assistant manager, deputy manager, DGM, JGM, and VP. These are some different job roles. So what are the internally available profiles? Like a customer specialist, front end, or some business development, project execution, tender or order, export or domestic, like that. Some segregation will be there. So whenever you are searching for any job profile in the internet or anywhere, so these terms you may see frequently. Domestic sales engineer required, in sales engineer required for exports, like that. You can see different job profiles, guys. So I hope this information is useful to you. It will give some good understanding to you. Yeah. And production and planning and control, PPC. This is another area in the transformer industry where these people will plan everything for producing the transformer as per the controlled or as per the planned date. For example, if say within 1 month we need to produce the transformer, means they will plan everything from the last date. So they will say for example within 30 days transformer is required, so they will leave 2 days, for example, and they will plan for 28th day. From 28th day onwards, if it needs to be produced, it means it may take, for example, say 4 weeks. So today we should start the manufacturing. If you want to manufacture this today, means at least material we should purchase 3 months back. So they will plan everything like that. And there are many engineers. So let's discuss in detail what they will do. So these job profiles can be for electrical or mechanical. So routing of activities, chain process. So after one action, which action to be done? So like that, for example, if you are preparing biryani, means there will be different items, right? First you need to prepare rice or something like a chicken, like that. So like that only the chain process of first we have to bring the material, we have to cut the material, we have to weld the material, then we should paint it. Like that chain process, whatever it is there, they are going to prepare everything, and they will prepare time schedule and the machine planning and routing. So whatever the machines we have, they will plan it on which machine we should do which task. These people, these also very good job profile, guys. You will have better control of entire production and everything. So machine shutdown, maintenance activities. So Sometimes we should give sometimes the maintenance time for the machines also. Otherwise, it may not perform. It may get damaged due to my complete continuous usage. So these are some job opportunities, guys. So what is next job profile? Costing and estimation. So as I already given you some overview at the initial stage. So costing and estimation plays a major role. So we should able to calculate all the materials and their prices, and we should estimate. Yeah. So this transformer costs some 50 lakh. So like that, we should be able to estimate it. All the statutory requirements like taxes and everything they should consider, and company as per company norms and all, they should estimate everything, and they should consider latest prices, everything. So this is also plays a major role, guys. So mainly ensuring all materials and estimating for latest prices. So here again same thing, graduate engineer training like GET they may take, otherwise senior engineer, senior engineer, assistant manager. Generally the people, electrical people are very good to be here, but sometimes some people may take some finance background also, but that they may not understand easily all the electrical terms. So electrical people plays a good role here. So if you find any such job opportunities, these are wonderful jobs. You can join into this. If you have any doubts or on any job profile, then no issue, you can revert to me. I can help you. So next, it's looking very great, right? Yeah. So this is production. So in production, actually in every production, it will be like this only. So there will be many fabrication things will be there. So there are a lot of sounds will be there. So mostly mechanical diploma people and IT workers will be there. So diploma people will work like supervisors like that, and of course engineers will be there for ensuring correctness and all, and workers will be there who are going to work actually on the field. So they can be 10 plus students or IT passed outs like that. So this is also a wonderful opportunity, guys, this production power work also. Yeah. Yeah, you can see here there are humorous more job profiles are available. So here in production also, here I listed out 13 different items. For example, we have conductor plant, we have core plant, we have core, we have machine operations or IT, we have cutting, we have assembly, some windings, core and coil, tanking, cutting, punching or machining, crane operators, bowen operators, quality checking. So like that, so for example, workers, IT or 10th or 12th passed outs will be there for workers category. Supervisors will be like diploma, and sometimes like junior engineers and engineers, senior engineers, in charge, production head, and some forklift operators. Like that, there are different job profiles, guys, in the production itself, in the transformer industry. You can think of any particular job if you, yeah, if you are interested on that. So you can see here, this is like a dispatch, guys. So dispatch of transformer. So it's any vehicle like a truck or a lorry or any other Taurus or any we can use any road transport, and we can consider any shipping. So you can see further details, guys. So here you can see again same thing here, graduate engineer trainees, engineer, senior engineer, like that. So these people ensure all items as per customer, and they will dispatch all items in the truck, and they will send to the customer. They will, yeah, this is about this dispatch points. So you have next fabrication. So what things you will do in the fabrication. So let's see here. There are many different items in the fabrication, like metallic items, channels, stiffeners, conservators, inspection covers, brackets, rollers, pipes, flats, top covers, painting, and for doing all the operate like welders, painters, cleaners, and crane operators. So many things required in the fabrication itself. So you can be there in any one of the job profile. Yeah, as I already told, whenever you are manufacturing small transformers, so all the things you only single person may be able to do. If you are manufacturing very big number of transformers, then there are many people to take care of different things. So this is about fabrication, guys. Mechanical people can find a better place here for a job opportunity. So like workers, as I already discussed, IT are 10th, 12th, supervisors, junior engineers, senior engineers, and in charge of the plant, and the production head, forklifter. So many, yeah, there are like this. There are so many job opportunities in this fabrication. And finally, we are in materials and procurement. So what these people will do. So if you want to manufacture the transformer, means we should materials we should procure, right? So these people will do the same thing. So materials are subcomponents. So there will be different job profiles internally, guys. So for example, we can say electrical, but the most of the things are more mechanical items. So for example, we need to import the material sometimes whenever very good quality or a high quality, or when specific items required, then we should import the materials. Then we need some engineers for performing this task. So sometimes supply chain management will be there. Some people will say, some people will call like supply chain management. Some people will say subcomponents or some materials, some purchasing. There are different names, but yes, some people will be there for performing a domestic task only. Some people will perform like component wise, like some people will take care only bushings. So some like a porcelain, epoxy, monoblock, condenser bushing, RIP bushing, like that. There are the specific bushings are available. Some people will take care only purchasing of these bushings. Some people will take care of tap changes, OCTC or OLTC. Some people will take care of PRD. Some people will look for a Buchholz relay. Some will take care of cooling, like a radiators, corrugations, heat exchangers, etc. Some will take care of valves. Some will take care of cables, cable trays, OTI and WTI. These are temperature indicators. Vacuum and pressure gauge, DGPT, these are temperature related. Lugs and glands, connectors, conductors, gas monitoring, and transformer oil. Like this, there will be different components we are using on the transformer, and for purchasing all the components we need set of people for taking care of all the invoices and the payments and all. So this is about these guys. So it is not like a only transformer industry, but you can enter into the any of other industry also. For example, like a bushing manufacturers are there. So if you get a job in bushing industry, that is also very good opportunity for you. And for example, connectors are there, and cables are there. And for example, cooling arrangement, radiators, corrugation, heat exchangers. Only thing is you should be able to find the what are the different jobs available, and you can go to that. So here I'm just trying to give overview on different job opportunities, job profiles. Yeah, so please subscribe to this channel, don't forget. And so materials, so this is again same guys, like a graduate engineer, trainee engineer, senior engineer, assistant manager, like that, etc. Different job roles will be there in the materials. Now we are with the logistics. So what these people will do, there will be dedicated people in the companies. So what they will take care of everything, like sending transformer from transporting transformer from factory premises to the customer place. Some customers may be in I mean, we might have we might have into foreign customers, so we need to export the our goods and transformers, everything. So those things will be shipped in the containers or ships. So like these people are required. So for here again, same thing, electrical or mechanical people are suitable. So what these people will do, these people will do like getting freight for transformers. So freight, how much cost and everything, they will get the details while tendering, and they will ensure it. And road transport, sea transport, air, sometimes the air transport also will be there, like containers, delivery terms, etc. They will take care of everything. And so once the product is ready, means it's their responsibility to send the transformer, transport the transformer from factory to the customer. Again, here same thing, GT engineer, senior engineer, etc. These are the different job roles available, guys. And here we have finance. So these are the numbers, financial figures. So there will be dedicated team for taking care of finance, like bills, invoices, cash collection, or if you need any loans from the banks, some taxes, salaries, etc. So finance background people will be recruited for these jobs generally. So this is about these guys, and we have HR or recruitment activities. So that's the main thing for any company. So they will recruit the people. So for recruiting, so they should be little aware of some technical things also. But generally, what happens is so most of the times HRs will do like HR activities related or communication or some general things they will do interview and all. But most of the things will be taken care by the technical people only, technical round, technical people only taking care. So let's go to the profile. Here you can see any degree or MBA professionals mostly eligible for this. If you are technical background, then it's fine, it's good. Other people also can be enter into these jobs. Generally, the strength is 2 to 3 members are sufficient. We may not need many people. And these people are going to do, they're going to do different works like time office, EPF, or leaves, some holidays related, talent management, some appraisals related, some social activities. So there are different verticals or streams within the HR itself. So you can find some good job opportunities also like these. And so administrative things also matters, right? For example, if any meeting is there, you may the head of the company may be directly coming to that spot. Who are going to arrange everything? So one person required, right? So like that, there are so many things available in the administrative things also, maintaining, taking care of all the assets, and doing any modifications or changes or improvements in the existing assets of entire the company, and for day-to-day regular operations, ensuring all the things are available like that. So administrative things will be there, and so they will do maintenance of all existing setup, new procurement of setup. For example, whatever desks are there, chairs are there, it needs to be modified. Then they will take care. Like bookings, like accommodation, travel. If you are going to any other city, then they will take care of the things. Technical background may not required, and these are some administrative activities, and this you are going to perform. Now we are with quality guys. So what these people will do in the quality. So here you are observing, right? So there are many things are there. One job is outperform. One pencil you can see outperform. The remaining are like normal jobs. Like that, there may be their main intention is ensuring all jobs are made as per the standard or as per the drawings, and everything is as per the customer requirement. So they will check everything. So ensuring quality of all incoming materials, outgoing transformer checking, like so there will be two types of quality. Whatever materials we are procuring, their checking will be there, and whatever transformer we made, that checking also there. The transformer checking at all stages, quality checking will be there, and import like quality again, import, domestic, component wise again quality will be there. Like some people may be taking care of only tap changes, some will taking care of only OTA, WTI, some people may be taking care of only marshalling box, like that. And again here, workers, supervisors, junior engineers, senior engineers in charge, like that. There are different job profiles available. Yeah, so finally we are testing. Say for example, transformer is ready, then we should do testing, right? So how, whether it is as per norms or not, as per standards or not, whether it is conforming to the customer expectations or not, everything they are going to test it. So here also we need some set of people for taking care of different activities. Like there again, some different things will be there. Small line, large line. I mean, so distribution transformer, power transformer, routine test, type test, like that. So if you are into the testing, and you may be in any one of the any one of the play. For example, you may be taking care of only distribution transformers. Otherwise, you may be taking care of only power transformers. You may be taking care of only routine test, or you may be taking care of type test, like that. There are different job profiles available in the testing. So if you go through the internet or online, if you are checking for jobs in testing the department in transformers, these different things you may find, and you should, yeah. So these are different job opportunities, guys. So like who are going to do these things? Workers, supervisors are there, junior engineers, senior engineers in charge. So and there are some certain people who will take care of tests with a third party like CPRI and ERDA. They will take care of everything at those labs, and they will give test reports and everything. So these people, these type of job profiles are available. Yeah. So let's go to the next. Here, industrial engineer. So for ensuring the company is running right, I mean, company is operating with different job roles, different people. So by ensuring integrity, by ensuring all the, by looking of entire company in a single point view and improving the process. So they will check all the industrial process. They will try for improvement. For example, one say one person is performing one work with a forklift in moving the items from one place to other place. How we can reduce this task? Their main intention is reducing task time, improving safety of people, safety of machines and everything, and there should not be any downtime. Like that, they will think of mainly process improvement, better methods for doing the same thing. Like that, they will try it. And here again, some engineers, senior engineers are required. So you can do sometimes like industrial engineering also. There are some courses also, you can perform these things also. Yeah. Finally, servicing. So what these people will do, servicing people, you can observe right here itself. So when transformer is ready and it's already in, for example, transformer is at site, it is operating many days, there is some issue. So who are going to take care? Is the MD of the company? Yes, sometimes he also has to go, but generally there will be set of engineers who will take care of all the things like servicing activities. They will first shut down the transformer. They will check what is the issue, and they will rectify on the site if possible. Otherwise, they will bring the transformer to the factory, and they will do redesign, or they will do rework on it, and they will send the transformer back to the customer site. Like that, servicing is also a very good opportunity, guys. But in these jobs, you are going to do frequent traveling. Frequent traveling will be there in the servicing profile. So here you can see some internal servicing will be there, external servicing will be there, in-house or external units are there. Only sometimes you may be doing only repairs, or sometimes you may be doing only site repairs. Sometimes you are also going to do installation and commissioning. So along with the transformer, you are also going to the site, and you are going to perform all the things like checking all the for example, resistances, some minimum parameters, so that transformer is not damaged during the transport, and you are going to install and commissioning it, and these things. So here again, different job profiles available, like worker, supervisor, junior engineer, senior engineer in charge. So for performing above mentioned task, these many different job roles are available. Yeah. So finally, we are at with projects or EPC projects, guys. So in companies, certain companies, so there are certain roles, certain profiles like projects or EPC project. What they will do is they will take care of entire. They will take care of the in like a EPC basis entire project, and they are going to bid for each. So all the components they will put subcomponents they will purchase from other suppliers, and they are going to make this. This is also one of the good area to work. So here you will get opportunity to see all the products, not only the transformer, all the products you can see. So what all the products you can see, this is also a good opportunity. Like a project, EPC projects like substations, power plant contractors, solar projects, wind projects, and maintenance engineers. There are like that, many things are there. You can enter into any one of the project, guys. So what are probable components of companies offering these jobs? So this is what you want to know, right? Finally, there are a lot of companies offering all the job opportunities. So let's look into it. So here you can see, for example, I just listed a few companies, whatever just came into my mind at the time. So there are many other companies also you can think of. For example, you can see here Hitachi ABB, Toshiba, BHEL, Siemens, IMP Transformer, Shirdi Shai, Prolec GE, WPS, SGB, Sudhir Transformer, Voltamp, TBEA, Kirloskar, Unitank, Prime, TMC, Atlas, Servo, Voltank, Trinity, Silchar, RPG, Virginia Transformer. So like that, there are different companies are there who are offering these job profiles. You can search in those company websites and you can try for job opportunity. So how to get or enter into these jobs? So this is also again one tricky question. So here you can see. So for example, this is let's discuss the route map. Say for example, process of getting into core jobs. So how you can enter into these jobs. So generally you can enter through campus placements, enter through third-party sites conducting exams, and they will shortlist based on the score. Otherwise, you can enter through referrals. Some people can refer you. And you can apply through the company websites. That is also there. Some training institutes like NPTI, HIW, ADI. There are some training institutes, so you can get some training institutes, get some training, and Google Alerts. So Google Alerts is one of the good concept that also I discussed in separate video. I will add in the description also. So you can think of the things, guys. And what about the experienced professionals? So yeah, for experienced professionals, they can apply through the company website. They can go through the Naukri profile. They can go through the LinkedIn profile, or sometimes referrals, friends or colleagues, and again some Google alerts. So these things, guys. So like this, you can enter into these core jobs. Always message me if you need any help. I will try my best to support you. That's what I can say for you. Yeah. So let's go to the different job profiles, guys. So jobs in transformer or subcomponent jobs. So you don't need to be in only transformer field. There are many other fields also where you can get some job opportunity in transformer industry, like tap changer, OLTC or OCTC, bushings, cooling arrangements like radiators, corrugations, industrial fans, and there are etc. You can try off, and you can try in AC, DC motor generators also. You can try for example Kirloskar. Some other companies are there who are with the generators, and some big companies like who are there in motors. You can try those things also. So finally, we are at the conclusion, guys. So we discussed the many job profiles or opportunities in the transformer industry. So this is the mostly these profiles are same not only in the transformer industry but in many other electrical products also. The same thing will be there. Similar structure will be there, but the number of job opportunities may be less. I mean, they may be clubbing many roles to the one particular role. For example, only one person for designing entire motor, like that. But still, these are the different activities that we are going to do when you are selected for the company. Yeah. So this is about this, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Do subscribe to this channel so that it also gives me a good energy, good boost up, so that I can do many more videos in the future. Yeah, comment and share this video. If you have doubts or any suggestions or anything, you are always welcome. You can message me. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Bye. Take care.